Good afternoon, Jeep Jeepers, and welcome back. Today we're going to do some custom floor mats in the Jeep. Alright, so you might have watched my older video about me lining the inside of the Jeep. Now that's all good and fine, but it still gets quite hot in the back, and that's where my dog sits. So I wanted to say that it's going to be a little bit more comfortable for him to sit on long trips, so his little furry butt doesn't get too hot. And also I wanted to say in the front that's going to give it a little bit more heat protection, because if you if you have bare feet and you kind of move your foot off the floor mats that are in there at the moment, you can pretty much burn your foot on the firewall or wheel well that's closest to the exhaust. So what I've done is I've actually gone to my local hardware shop, which is Bunnings here in Australia, and I picked up a 1 metre by 2 metre roll of marine carpet. Is obviously weatherproof, it's made for marine grade use, so it's going to be perfect for the inside of the Jeep. So if you've got the top down and it rains or you spill something, it's going to be absolutely perfect. So it doesn't go mouldy, it doesn't smell, stain resistant, all that sort of stuff. So it's going to be nice and durable for the back of the Jeep. It's also got a nice coarse finish there. It's black, so it's going to match the Jeep quite well. So first thing is we're going to make up a little template for the back of the Jeep so we can follow the contours of like the wheel well properly. So I've just marked out on the back of the carpet, so the side that's going to be facing up, because then you'll be able to see the marks I've just made in permanent marker. But I've just marked it out. I've marked 900 across, 910 across, 900 up, 910 across again. Now the good thing about this carpet is that it already has arrows pointing to the true side. So the true side is the side that's completely straight. Alright, now that we've got it all cut up and nicely done, cutting it with a pair of scissors isn't actually the best thing, and I didn't have a Stanley knife on me, but I might pick one up tomorrow to do the front floor mats. But I had a razor blade on me, so I cut the backing with the razor blade, then went along and cut like where the fibres are with a pair of scissors. So that's all done now. Now let's try and fit in the back of the Jeep and let's see if we did a good job cutting it into a square. It actually looks really good. Oh, it's a bit grainy. Hang on, there we go. Oh, that actually looks really good. Maybe a little bit high at the back, nice and tight at the sides where that little raised bit is there. But all in all, it's actually a pretty good fit. Really happy with the way that's turned out. So I've got the back floor mat in and it's looking oh so good. Now let's finish measuring up the front ones, get them cut, and we'll chuck those ones in and hopefully we can do just as good a job. Alright, so we just got the last little bit there cut. Now let's chuck it in the Jeep and see if we did a good job. Alright, that actually looks pretty good. Fits pretty good. So my idea was that it was going to go up from there and under there, but I didn't actually have enough material, so I might be able to do something up with the offcuts, but for now it looks pretty good and it fits. That could probably bend down. This material is actually really good at contouring to different sections, so just over time that's going to press down a bit more. It actually fits quite well. Alright, that's it for today, cheap jeepers. I hope you enjoyed this video about making your own DIY floor mats. So in total the whole process cost me $32 for the material, and I think about an hour's worth of time just to measure everything out, get it cut and looking good. So $32 and an hour's of your time on the weekend or after work. I think it's pretty good for a good looking set of floor mats that won't go mouldy and going to be a bit more heat resistant than just having nothing in there as well. So I'm really happy with that. If you guys want to check out where I bought them from, I'll leave a link below. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching my videos, so hit that like button and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.